2016, 15.
I took this car to the shop in 2016, and I never went back to get it again.
But
I went and checked on it like 2 or 3 times, but he didn't have it ready, man. And I left this car there from 16 until today. What's the date?
2020.
2020.
Yeah.
That's a long time.
Sure is, but I mean, we're here now. We can.
And we getting ready to put some work in on it. We getting ready to put some work in on it. I don't know what's going on up under here. But he couldn't figure it out. He said he got it running now, but it just keeps falling on his face. When you give it the gas, it just falls on his face. So, I never had under my hood looking like this. You used to eat off my hood, but not today. Not today. Has a Vortec intake. Pretty much it. Co-air intake, nitrous,
BBK
150 shot. Have headers on it, shorties.
It's funny, you can still see the solenoid right there. See it? You got a purge on it?
No, I didn't have a purge. Yeah, it was set up for it, but I didn't have it run to it the last run.
Oil breather? Yeah,
But me and CJ,
it's gonna need another breather for sure. Most definitely. I mean, but the outside of the car is gonna need some paint.
yeah, we're gonna paint it in the end. Gonna paint it.
Gonna need
Gonna
another.
get it back right.
Gonna definitely need another side skirt. Clear coat. I mean, but he did bondo this really well. I mean, it's super smooth.
This was a bad dent. This was a bad dent. This car was parked in the yard, and a tire came off somebody's car while traveling down the highway, and it hit it right here, and it smashed all this in, the trunk, everything. And I wound up buying this car for a guy for like $1,200 with nitrous. This is the way it's set up. World-class transmission, out of the tank fuel pump. But this was like 15, 20 years ago.
Yeah.
It's been a long time.
This car used to be the king of the streets, though.
Yeah. It got a couple heads. Man. And it's been a long time, but we're going to get it back going.
I remember the sticker you had on it. Does not play well with others.
Does not play well with others.
It used to be right here.
Yep.
Right there.
Yeah. Huh?
But I mean, otherwise, I mean, there is some stuff in the interior, but nothing that can't be clean. Still got the old gauge. She'll come back for sure, though. Let's see if I can get the seat back. She'll definitely come back. Well, I guess I'm finna start on the interior first, and then later we'll come back and give it a wash and see what it looks like. Clean it. I'ma just do it once over one more time, show y'all guys what it looks like on the inside, and then after the time lapse I'll come back and show you guys after we clean it. All right?
I gotta put some sneakers on. Hey, one of these what are yours, okay?
All right.
One on the bucket. I gotta put some more sneakers on. These feet hurt my
outside, well, I should say vacuuming. I mean, we took the seat covers off. The seats look, I mean, fairly decent. There's a couple stains there, you know. But I mean, floors, I mean, they're not too dirty, but a deep cleaner will probably take a lot of that out. In the back, I mean, we still got that side to do, but so far so good. I mean, it looks really, really nice. What do you think? What do you think about the back and the whole side?
Oh yeah, couldn't clean, man. I'm telling you, this car wasn't hurt when I took it over there, man. It's just been gone so long, man. Yeah.
But I mean, I think it'll clean up nice,
Yeah,
especially once we get the outside clean.
I do too. I have faith in it. I think it's gonna work.
I can't wait to see it run.
Me
I
too.
mean, like
Yeah, but I don't want to take it to the shop and it look like this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
wanna
I
clean
mean-
it up before I take it to somebody so they can put some love in it when they work on it.
yeah, cause
Not just throw everything on top of it.
you don't want to take the shop. You take your car to the shop and it just look like this.
No.
You know.
I'm gonna work on it.
So I'll touch back when we get the other side and pretty much done. All right. So this is the results of me, you know, I'm done. Well, I just finished vacuuming the car. There's old noxious lines, you know, both sides, the back. I couldn't really get in over here because this stuff started tearing. So, you know, I had to kind of take it easy over there. But, I mean, overall, I mean, driver's side, center console, probably go back and wipe this down when we wash it. You know, with the cloth, a wet cloth. I mean, this seat's kind of worse than the other one, but, I mean, we can find those pretty easily. So, I mean, so far, so good. So far, so good stuff. So, I mean, that's not old. I don't know what it is. But we'll get it done. It's no big deal. Hey, what do you think these wires go to? Oh, this was probably, you say you replaced
MSD box. He took the MSD box off of it.
Oh,
So that's what that is.
looks like it's still probably good. I mean,
Yeah, I don't know why he took it off, man. I really don't. He said he was taking it back to stock with it.
well, I know we need to keep this box. It's probably got a lot of useful stuff still on it. Look at this, good tools. Good tools, sockets. Shoot, let's take that box out. They could probably use some of this stuff to help, you know? Cause this, I don't see this intake manifold on the market.
Yeah, we get the part clean taken care of under the hood.
And then look.
Why clear under here? It never looked like this. This is bad, man.
Yeah, but look, this is an aftermarket radiator.
I may have put that in. Yeah, I may have put that
Everything.
in. I'm sure
only,
I did. I'm
it's
sure
funny.
I
The
did.
the most expensive thing in here is probably that Ultima battery. You need a wire tuck. Put the battery in the back. Tuck all that.
Yeah, right. Boy.
Come on, man. It's not that hard. Hey, you gotta do it right. You know what I mean? Hey, this cold air might take a miracle to bring back with all that rust.
I gotta move some stuff before I shoot some water.
Yeah, we do. But I mean, think about it. This trunk is, you know, after we finish cleaning this out, I mean, it does have a little bit of surface rust. But I mean, if anybody knows how to treat this surface rust, put it down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to look at it and hear your opinions. Cause you know, we don't want this to get any worse. Cause like right here, and then around there. So, but it's all original paint. Cause you see that? It's original paint, outside and in. But, I mean, you can't even tell because the car's so dirty. And that's exactly what we're gonna do, right?
What, wash?
Yep. He's gonna get his first wash in what, 4 or 5 years?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Ugh. It needs it. It most definitely needs it. So, hit y'all back up when we wash it. You can already tell the difference with the windows. This after smearing that stuff to, you know, break down The dirt. This isn't even the wash. If you're wondering why the hood won't go down, it's because when the person installed the intake manifold, he didn't realize it was too high, so when he went to put the hood down, I guess it latched down, but when he was driving it, it came back up. So
it didn't always have spaces on it.
Yeah.
He put spaces on it.
Yeah, he put spaces on it.
And now I would have to get another hood. I would have to get another hood.
Hopefully a cow hood. Yeah, a cow hood.
A cow hood.
Probably like a 1 or 2 inch cow hood.
Yeah. So it's not gonna go down. Unless I change the gasket again.
Yeah, you're right. But I mean,
look at that, man.
Dude. Blue and gray bouncing back. But the stripes are still reflective. All these years. Can you see that? Even the pony. Even a little pony right there, still reflective, man.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You good? Man. Look back. We just finished the wash, and the car already looks 10 times better than before. I mean, you still got some bad spots, like right here and on the roof, but I mean, overall, the car looks a lot better than it did before. I mean, a whole lot better. Outside and inside. So, I mean, this is only the beginning. Still have to try and get the car running, but you know, getting the car running will probably be in the next part of this series. So, another thing that I noticed when I was cleaning the car is that when we were spraying around here, it would leak, you know, onto the seat area. As you can see, I don't know if you can see because of the reflection, but the car is gonna need some more weather stripping along both sides of the door. I mean, both doors. And, you know, probably gonna need some more, you know, around the quarter panel glass. Or quarter panel window, I should say, my fault. And, I mean, and that it's gonna need, you know, the hatch strap, like over there, it's missing one right here. That's why you have to prop it up like this. But, I mean, all the mold came off of the back bumper. You know, everything went back. Everything is pretty much good. I mean, it's came a long way. And we're just going to continue to keep improving. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I appreciate all you did, man. I appreciate your help, man.
It's no problem. It's a me and you project, man. We finna.
I know I wouldn't have got it all done today. I know I would have given up.
We finna.
I appreciate you, nephew.
All right, no problem. We finna knock this out together.
All right.
Together.
I'm tired, boy. You done knocked me out already. Boy.
I'm tired.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
I'm tired myself.
You know how heavy this trunk is?